The rise of AI. What does this mean for us? People frequently overlook the fact that we are accountable for those we tame in the face of growing ethical questions surrounding artificial intelligence. Scientists have been plagued by the unquenchable desire to unlock the enigma of AI for decades. Alan Turing was the first computer scientist to start debating whether machines are capable of thinking. This was back when general-purpose computers were still in their infancy. Later, in 1956, John McCarthy introduced the concept of artificial intelligence, ushering in an age in which individuals began forming bonds with computers and instructing them in learning and thought. Yes, today also we are going to explore something about AI. The rise of AI. What does this mean for us? Given how quickly AI is evolving, the prospect of what lies ahead is both exhilarating and terrifying at the same time. AI began as a theory, developed into study, then into testing. Now, we can see how machine learning has impacted a variety of working processes, including human and digital labor. The significant benefit that AI has for automating processes may be used to explain why it is being employed more and more, and its current popularity was brought on by its commercial potential. Another reason for concern around robots is that AI has been rising rapidly in recent years rather than evolving. Thanks to deep learning, a mix of programming and cognitive science, it has progressed from enhancing a web search to creating robots and products that can be utilized across all sectors in only a few short years. A computer may learn on its thanks to deep learning. For instance, if a machine is repeatedly given photos of an apple, it will ultimately figure out what the fruit is. But rather than having machines think like humans, the goal is to make them smarter and quicker. According to Fortune, Google and Microsoft have already outperformed the best human in picture recognition, while Chinese company Baidu was able to recognize 2 languages better than humans. Businesses have utilized AI to increase productivity, develop new goods, and find solutions to issues that people are unable to solve since they first began to realize the potential of AI, which is now unlimited. But if growth proceeds at the same rate, where will people and their occupations fit in? Machines can still compete with humans in the labor market even if AI is still a long way from developing the terrifying self-awareness depicted in many sci-fi blockbusters. Smart machines are employed as a more effective replacement for human labor in the manufacturing and agricultural industries. There are also hopes that robotics will quickly advance to the point at which intellectual labor may also be substituted. Compliance is one of the responsibilities that businesses must be careful of within the commercial and economic conditions of today. Other people may begin to doubt the dependability of employees in light of the current crisis involving Wells Fargo and its corporate culture and management shortcomings. Compliance frequently entails laborious and painstaking amounts of transaction analysis where a mistake might have catastrophic repercussions. Businesses have begun using technology with natural language processing systems that can take the place of knowledge occupations related to compliance in all pertinent business areas to stay out of trouble. Machine learning also experiences winters and droughts since AI doesn't evolve gradually, and until it took off in the 2010s, there were only sporadic advances. According to Stanford University's effort to predict the level of AI in 2030, it is extremely improbable that AI would produce a product that will change people's lives or endanger mankind. Therefore, in addition to appreciating the present advances in machine learning, deep learning enthusiasts and companies should be cautious with their goals and expectations because AI can easily fall short of them. But even if AI isn't going to wipe off the earth anytime soon, it's still necessary to have the right laws in place to control it. The social and ethical impact of AI is a topic of great concern, as it is at the crossroads of either benefiting society or harming it. Governments' perspectives on AI vary significantly, with some waiting for life-changing advancements and others already preparing. The UK, with London being a major tech hub, has chosen the latter direction, as London is a major AI development hub. The UK's Science and Technology Committee has prepared a report on AI and robotics, discussing its societal impact soon. The report acknowledges that technology will disrupt people's lives and work, and authorities are working to understand its extent. The report highlights the need to upskill or reskill the nation to minimize potential harm from technology. The recommendation is to establish a standing commission on artificial intelligence, based in the Alan Turing Institute, to examine the social, ethical, and legal implications of AI developments. Any apprehension about new technology is typically a result of the topic's lack of openness and exposure. Information on advancements, efforts, and research findings should be made known to society to enlighten it and prevent additional intimidation in society, particularly concerning job loss. For people and businesses to profit from advancements in robotics globally, Rob McCargo, artificial intelligence leader at PwC UK, shared with us that this exposure shouldn't be restricted to specific nations. Up until now, the technology sector and higher education institutions have taken artificial intelligence developments and standards into their own hands. This is a positive starting step towards involving the government. To enable future economic growth, we must make sure that all stakeholders collaborate to create the appropriate regulations for creating trustworthy and open AI systems. 1. To use AI for the benefit of humanity, it is crucial to have the proper standards in place. Since AI is not bound by national boundaries, we require a comprehensive worldwide regulatory framework. It is in the hands of humanity to lead and control AI since, unlike in movies, technology is not yet accountable for any of its actions and effects. So in the of today, remember one thing: once the fallacies around AI are debunked, the future of the technology looks promising. We hope you found this video informative and interesting, and that you got a good understanding of the future world related to technology. If you enjoyed this video and want to know more interesting facts like this, stay tuned. For that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share our videos.